Homeowners in Rowlett are always looking for smart ways to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and create a more enjoyable living space. One upgrade that delivers all of these benefits at once is installing energy-efficient windows. While windows may not always be the first thing people think about when improving their home, they play a major role in how comfortable and efficient a house feels year-round. Managing heat and indoor comfort windows are one of the primary areas where heat enters and escapes a home. Older or inefficient windows allow unwanted outdoor temperatures to influence your indoor environment, making it harder to maintain consistent comfort. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler during warm periods and more stable overall. For Rowlett homeowners, this means fewer hot spots near windows and a more balanced indoor temperature throughout the house. Rooms feel more comfortable, and your cooling system doesn't have to work as hard to keep up. Lowering monthly energy costs. One of the most noticeable advantages of energy-efficient windows is their impact on energy bills. When your windows provide better insulation, your cooling system operates more efficiently. This can lead to lower monthly energy usage and long-term savings. Homeowners often find that upgrading to energy-efficient windows helps reduce the strain on their HVAC system. Over time, this not only saves money but may also extend the lifespan of essential home equipment. Reducing drafts and improving air control. Drafty windows can make certain rooms uncomfortable, even when the rest of the home feels fine. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced sealing and framing techniques that help eliminate air leaks. This keeps outdoor air where it belongs and indoor air comfortable and controlled. In Rowlett homes, improved air control can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or working from home, fewer drafts create a more pleasant and consistent environment. Protecting interior spaces. Sunlight is great, but too much exposure can damage flooring, furniture, and decor over time. Many energy-efficient windows include specialized glass that helps reduce harmful UV exposure while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This added protection helps preserve the appearance of your interior spaces. Homeowners in Rowlett appreciate being able to enjoy bright rooms without worrying about fading or long-term wear on their belongings. Supporting a quieter living environment. Another often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is improved sound reduction. Thicker glass and better sealing help block out unwanted noise from outside, creating a quieter indoor space. For Rowlett homeowners who value peace and relaxation, this added sound control can make a noticeable difference in everyday life. A calmer home environment supports better rest, focus, and overall well-being. Increasing home value and appeal. Energy-efficient windows are not only practical, they're also attractive to future buyers. Homes with modern, efficient features tend to stand out, offering better comfort and lower operating costs. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, this upgrade adds long-term value to your property. In Rowlett, energy-efficient windows are seen as a smart investment that benefits homeowners now and in the future. A smart upgrade for everyday living. Choosing energy-efficient windows is about more than energy savings. It's about improving how your home feels every day. With better temperature control, lower energy bills, quieter rooms, and protected interiors, this upgrade supports a more comfortable and enjoyable lifestyle. For Rowlett homeowners, energy-efficient windows are an essential improvement that delivers lasting comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind.